Removing the background from an image in Canva is incredibly simple, and you can do it with just a few clicks. First, log into Canva and start by selecting the design where you want to edit the image. If you're starting from scratch, choose a template or a blank canvas to begin. Then, upload your image by dragging it onto the workspace or using Canva's Upload button. Once your image is in place, select it and you'll notice a toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on the Edit Image option from this toolbar. In the Editing menu, find the Background Remover tool. This is a premium feature, so make sure you're using Canva Pro to access it. When you click it, Canva will automatically detect and remove the background of your image within a few seconds. After the background is removed, you can adjust the image further if needed.